Good morning, y'all. It is Reedy here. Today we are in Ubud, Bali, and we are going hunting for Bali's most beautiful waterfall. Let's go. We have made it to our first destination here today, the Sapon waterfall. We got here around 7:45 a.m. It looks like we are the first people here to catch the sunrise here over the waterfall. I think we're getting close. I could hear the water roaring. Stop one on the waterfall tour was a success. However, make sure you get here early. Within 15 minutes of us having the waterfall there to ourselves, a bunch of tourists started showing up. So make sure you get here early if you want this waterfall to yourself for any time at all. But it is time to continue the hunt for the most beautiful waterfall in Bali. We have made it halfway back up to the parking lot here, but I've had no coffee, no breakfast, so we are stopping here at the Sapon resto for a quick breakfast and coffee, and they just have these wonderful seats overlooking the beautiful Bali forest. We're charged up. On to the next location. This is peak male sex appeal right here. Alright, y'all, after a 2.5 hour trek on the motorbike, we are finally at the second location, which is the famous Sapon waterfall. We're waiting here for our guide. We're about to see if this is the most beautiful waterfall in Bali. After an amazing day at the Sapon waterfall, where we also got to see the Fiji waterfall, we are ending our waterfall hopping tour here for the day, and we are finally heading back to Ubud. We got about a 2-hour ride home, so let's go. Alright, y'all, we have finally made it back here to the guest house after a roughly 3.5 hour journey back from the Sapon waterfalls. My phone ended up dying, so we did lose all of our maps. But guys, if you have made it this far, please like and subscribe, and please comment below what you thought the most beautiful waterfall we saw today was. If you are here in Bali, I think Sapon and the Sapon waterfalls are an absolute must-do. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.